Kayo, if first come to worst na talagang mapako na po sa 733 million lang po ang ma-approve. What can the OVP do with that budget, ma'am?
We will see. Sinabi ko naman na noon, no, yung rason kung bakit hindi na kami mag-participate sa budget deliberations ng Office of the Vice President dyan sa House of Representatives. Dahil nga sinabi ko na dalawang tao lang naman yung nagde-decide dyan, Congressman Zaldico and Congressman Martin Romualdez. At sinabi ko din, yung proof ko kung bakit sila lang dalawa, and may paper trail yung sinabi ko against them. So 700 million, we will see kung ano yung maiwan, and then we will work around that budget of the Office of the Vice President. Pero definitely, tutuloy pa rin yung trabaho.